Room tour, Maharlika Hotel in Tarlac. So these are queen size bed. So meron na siyang side bed. Meron working area. Yan, very big. So gusto natin yung may working area. And there are 2 chairs. Usually 1 chair lang yan. May working area din yan. TV. Merong bar. Mini bar. Of course, you have to pay. And then, meron din coffee station. And if you want coffee. Bathroom. Full-size mirror. Cabinets. Side table. Side lamp. Very, very conducive for sleeping and working. Ayan. So, here's our room tour for this weekend. Stay safe, everyone. See you in our next video.